So guys, good morning. What's up sa mga friends natin, mga family. This song is dedicated to you guys. Ang title ng song dito is Father and Son.
It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much we have to know. You find a girl and settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I once liked what you are now, and I know that's not easy to become when you're found something going on. But take your time, take a lot. Why do you think everything you've got? For you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain? When I do, it turns away again. It's always been the same old story. Find the moment I can talk. I was ordered to listen. There's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much we have to go through. You find a girl, you settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm old, but I'm happy. All the times that I cried, keeping all the things I knew inside. It's hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, I agree. But it's them, they know, not me now. There's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go.